Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Deskubots, which is an no-code omnichannel AI chat builder. And as you can see, they are offering their lifetime deal on AppSumo. Here, you will get 5 team members feature, 4,000 active users, and then one bot. You can create one workspace. You can connect your bot with Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or Google My Business, or with any website, and it's completely no code drag and drop flow builder, build AI powered chatbot, and then they have branding free widget for websites, so you can white label it completely. Also they have one Facebook and one Google account connection per workspace, access to omnichannel advanced triggering is available, Shopify integration, WooCommerce integration, EC with integrations are available. You can connect with unlimited user, and you can access to 100 plus recipes and submit your own chatbot template here, and all integrations that are available on this dashboard are available. Now before exploring this tool, if you see the end result of this tool, see I have already integrated this chatbot with my website, and as you can see this is the chatbot at the bottom right corner. If I click here I have set up all the things. If I now click here on this send us message, then let's see what happened. See, at first it will welcome you, and then it will give you some introduction of the store. I have set up this chatbot by thinking that I am creating one chatbot for my e-commerce site. So these are the things, and see, and they are asking please select how would you like to proceed today. Let's say I'll select grocery shopping, and then let's see what happened. See, sure, we can help you with that, and then please select the category that best suits your requirement. Let's say I want some fruits and vegetables. You can select bakery, eggs, you can select packed food. A lot of things are available. Also you can add here as many option as you want. Let's say I'll select the first one, and if I select the first one, then let's see what happened. See, they're saying that, and then say, and they will provide you one zip, and then please select the item that you would like to order. Let's say I want to order some fresh food, and then let's see what happened. See, it will reload it like someone is writing, and then as I have selected fresh fruit, that's why it's showing me some fruit image, and then a fruit day we keeps the warriors away. That means it's an inspirational quote, and then here they have given the option which one I would like to take. Let's say I want to take the second one. So if I select the second one, then something will keep happening basically. So automatically every chat will be done here. You do not have to do anything here. See, it's asking please also share how much quantity would you like to buy. Let's say I want to buy, let's say 6, and then here let's see what happened. See, got it, and then it's already added to their cart. See, they're saying let me add to this to your cart. Let's proceed to checkout. How would you like to receive your order confirmation? Let's say I want to receive it through email. So now it will ask me the email, and then it will ask me the address. So in this way everything will be done here automatically. I hope you get idea, and these things you can build by using this Deskubots in maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So these are the things, and this is the dashboard of Deskubots C, and here you can see total number of bot user. Let me reload these things guys at first. See guys, here total number of bot user is 4 now, active bot user is 4 now, and then here if you connect your chatbot with Messenger, with WhatsApp, you can do it also, and you will see your connected chatbot number here basically. So these are the things. Also they have one very detailed video tutorial here. If I go to their video tutorial, see guys, here is the video tutorial. There have total 26 videos, and the videos are very short and concise. If you watch these videos, then it will be very easy for you to set up their bot. So these are things. Now let me go to the recipe section. In the recipe section you can build your chatbot basically. That means recipe is your chatbot. Let it be loaded. See guys, this is the recipe section, and here there have some ready-made templates. See, basic FAQ template, email opt-in request template, then survey template, lead generation marketing template, and there have different industry based template also. See, legal grocery shopping chatbot template, online grocery shopping chatbot, sorry, here not legal, local grocery shopping chatbot. Anyway guys, and they have different use case. Let me show you the use cases. See guys, these are the use case: basic FAQ, then advanced support automation, basic support automation, news over a chatbot. So a lot of templates are here pre-made, and you can just import this recipe if you want. That means you can use this pre-made template. But let's say you want to create your own recipe. How to do it? See, they have recipe. You can create recipe on Deskubot widget. You can create recipe on Shopify, live chat, WhatsApp, Messenger, WooCommerce, Intercom, and Envato. And let me load it. It's taking some time to load. See guys, there have option to create the recipe. You can create the recipe, but I have already created the recipe guys for this video, because in the video, if I want to create the complete recipe, then the video length will be very long. That's why, see, the recipe that I have shown you here in this chatbot, as you can see, the recipe is here, this recipe, online grocery shopping. So if I just click here, go to recipe, then you will see the magic. See guys, this is the start, and see how complex recipe you can build here. See, step by step recipe. See, very detailed recipe here. I hope you can see guys. See, this is the recipe guys, and it's very complex recipe guys. If I want to build this type of recipe or this type of chatbot in detail in the video, then it will take a lot of time. But the concept is very easy. You can build very complex chatbot here, but the concept is easy. You have to just connect one step with another step here. So see, this is the end. It's not still ending. See, this is the end bot. So it's a very big chatbot or very big workflow. Now let's say you want to add one button. You can just drag and drop it here. See, there I have one button. Now if I just double click on this button, then you will get the settings of the buttons. Let's say here button text will be pay now, and then attribute will be email, city, language, region, country, username, order, quantity, phone, address. Let's say not pay now. Let's say I want his city. So here I will give the button text like city, and then I'll just save it. Now if I want, I can connect it with another one. So these are the things. In this way, you have to connect basically what you want to do. See what are available here. You can add here message, you can add here videos, images, and call us option is also available. You can add button here. Also you can add here multi choice. Let me delete it guys, because I do not want to keep it here. So I'll delete this one, because my workflow is completely ready here. Now let's say you want to add something like that. Let me show you. See, there have a lot of connections. See, a lots of connections are available here. So let's say you want to add this type of multi-choice feature. So you can do it by using it. And then they have endbot feature, go to feature, embed feature, redirect feature, restart, card feature, and delay feature. So these are the things. You can create this type of very complex chatbot by using this Deskubot. But here one thing I cannot do is I cannot zoom it or zoom out it. See, let's say I want to zoom out it or I want to zoom in it. It's not possible here. I have to drag and drop everything. Okay guys, it's also possible. I'm extremely sorry. See here, they have zoom out option. So if I use the mouse, then it's not possible. So these are the things. Now you can see the chatbot very closely. See, a very complex chatbot here. So these are the things. I'm not going in deep, but the tool is really great guys. If you think you need one chatbot builder by which you can create your omnichannel chatbot and without any code, then you can get this Deskubot lifetime deal from AppSumo basically. So these are the things. I'm not going to the detail here, and also you can see the preview from here. See, if I just click here on this preview, and then you will be able to see the preview. So you can test it before publishing it finally basically from here. And then they have the setting. Now if I go to the setting section, here there have publish bot. You can just click here, you can enable or disable this button, and then it will be published or unpublished. And how to add it with your website. See, they will provide you one simple code. You have to just copy this code, and then you have to go to the backend of your website. See, and this is the backend of my website, and here in the body section you have to add this script, and then you have to save it. So these are the things. This is simple step. You have to just copy and paste this simple piece of code, and then your widget or your chatbot will be added on your website automatically. So these are the things, and then you can change the appearance from here. See, you can show here minimize window as bubble or bar. You can choose different themes. See, there have theme color and custom theme. If you want, you can add here custom theme also, but in my case this is the theme colors. If you want, you can change this color. See, this color will be changed. So these are the things, and then they have choose a style. You can change the style from here, and also there have header image. You can add his header image. I have already added the header image, but it's not loading here. I'm not sure why. You can add here bot icon image. You can add chat background image, widget icon. Also, you can add. Also, you can customize your welcome message, your welcome screen message, and start conversation message. So everything you can customize basically from here. And then they have positioning. That means where you want to keep this widget. You can keep it at right. You can keep it at left also from here. So these are the things. Also, you can change the position of your chatbot by changing the padding, by changing the this pixels basically from here. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. After doing everything, just click here save changes, and then it will be saved. These are the complete idea, guys, behind this Deskubot. Very basic chatbot builder, but very useful chatbot builder, I think, this Deskubot. So I hope you get idea about this recipe section of Deskubot. And then they have the users here. Basically, you will see all your users. Now, what this users means? This users means the people who have used your chatbot. That let's say this is one of the person who have chatted with my chatbot. So all your users will be stored here. Now, if I click here on any user, then you will be able to see what chat have done with this user. That means his chat history you will see here. See, guys, this is the chat history with this person here. You can see his full name, his email, his IP address, country, city, everything you can see. Basically every details you can see. Also, you can see his location from here. And if you want to see the detailed message that happened with this person, it's also possible. If I come to this archive section, then see here all the messages are available. If you select any message from here, then you will see all the messages that happened with this person from here basically. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. All informations will be stored here. And then the last but not least is integration. There have a lots of important integration. See, Deskubot integration, live chat, help desk, Shopify, Messenger, WhatsApp, webhook, then WooCommerce, Intercom, Inverto, Dialogflow, Google My Business integration is also available, and Zapier integration will come soon. So these are the things. I hope you get idea about this Deskubot tool. And if you think you need one no-code drag and drop chatbot builder, then definitely you can get this Deskubot lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this Deskubot lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Deskubot lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.